This video sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. BuyMote e-shopping. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nature Lover. So today I'm going to talk to you about nature, how to love nature and why to love nature. So loving nature is a profound experience that can enrich our lives in countless ways, which I'll be talking now. First is connection to the earth. First and foremost, loving nature fosters a deep connection to the earth. When we step outside and immerse ourselves in the natural world, whether it's a lush in the nature world, whether it's a lush forest, a serene beach, or a vibrant garden, we encounter the beauty and complexity of life. Next is healing power of nature. Nature also has remarkable healing properties. Studies have shown that spending time outdoors can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve mental health. The sights and sounds of nature, like rustling leaves, chirping birds, or flowing water, can create a calming atmosphere that helps us recharge. A simple walk in the park or a hike in the mountains can lift our spirits and provide clarity in times of uncertainty. Next is responsibility to protect. Loving nature also instills a sense of responsibility as we grow to appreciate the beauty around us. We become more aware of the environmental challenges facing our planet, such as climate change, pollution, and habitat loss. This awareness can inspire us to take action, whether through conservation efforts, sustainable living practices, or community involvement. Our love for nature can motivate us to be stewards of the earth, ensuring that future generations can enjoy its wonder. So my dear friends, आपको अभी जो मैंने बताया इस वीडियो के थ्रू, इससे आपको बहुत अच्छी सीख मिली होगी. तो आप इसे ज़रूर सोचिएगा, समझिएगा और मुझे ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा कि आपको क्यों नेचर से प्यार होता है या क्यों नेचर से आपको प्यार करना चाहिए. तो चलिए दोस्तों, इसी के साथ हम झूला झूलते झूलते अपना वीडियो ख़त्म करते हैं और आपके कमेंट्स का इंतज़ार करते हैं. थैंक यू.